Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a preset. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add a preset in Adobe Premiere Pro, all I have to do is follow these simple steps. Okay, so on the timeline, I want you to hover to the effects panel. If you can't find the effects panel, go to the windows on the top corner and click the effects right here. You see that? And from here, the next thing is I want you to right click to any part of the effects window, and there is an option that says import presets. Now, once the window is loaded, all I have to do is locate the file where you have downloaded or stored the preset that you have. So in my case, I'm going to be using this, the Fonts Help Premiere Pro. Click the assets. There should be a file here. And then once the file has been loaded right here, all I have to do is click on it and the preset will be imported to the effects under the presets. All right. Now close that. And it should appear on this pips right here. All right, so these are going to be some of the presets that I have added in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you're wondering where do I get the preset for Premiere Pro, now one of the best websites for you to download Adobe presets and a lot more is going to this website called Envato. All right, so you see there's like 1,642 Premiere Pro presets, templates, and editable video templates that you can do here. All I have to do is go to sign in, create an account. There are free and of course there are premium templates or presets that you can use, but you need to subscribe to specific subscriptions. All right. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. All I have to do is click the download, but it would require you to sign in. All right. So you might want to check some presets that you have here because presets allow you to apply a set of effects or settings to your clips with just a drag and drop. This eliminates the need to manually adjust to the settings for each clip, saving you valuable time, especially when working with multiple clips that require the same effects or adjustment. All right, so there's a lot that you can work here. All right, for video templates for Premiere Pro, there's a tab here. And if you've spent like a lot of time fine-tuning an effect like color grading or audio adjustments, saving it as a preset allows you to quickly, for example, this one, to reuse these exact settings in future projects without needing to redo the work. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Just go to Envato, download, and save it to Adobe Premiere Pro as a preset. We will see you again in the next one.